2010 Ford F-250 gasser. I don't know what size motor's in it. XLT? I think it's the 5.4 because the XLT. Anyways, what we got done on this beast. It's massive. Look at this truck. It's massive. Anyways, even the cats are massive. Two catalytic converters right there and right there. Y's into a single. 3-inch out. And then we put a CARVEN R. There'll be a link in the description for it. There it is. And 3-inch to continue it with 3-inch pipe where the muffler is, because the muffler was huge on this thing. As you guys can see, about 2.5 feet of pipe. Then continued the original tailpipe over the rear axle, out the back, into a 5-inch massive black tip. A lot cleaner, a lot nicer. Just complete the look of it. Like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing content. It's 29 degrees outside, guys, so it's cold. The truck is not cold, it's just cold. That sounds good. Look at that CARVEN. That sounds really nice on me. Ford Super Duty. There's sound decibels. Again. Those cats take a lot of the sound away because they're huge. Here it is from far away. Rev it. Again. Not bad. Let you guys hear on the inside. That sounds so good. Enjoy, guys.